Hello students, hope you are doing good. Today in our class we will start with chapter 3, playing with numbers, as we completed in our last class chapter number 2. So today we will discuss the introduction of this chapter so that you can do easily the questions of the exercise. So here we will discuss the introduction of this chapter, how we can forward to the questions part. So today in this video we will discuss the introduction, like basic of the chapter. So here we will start. So here first we have factors and multiples. So you have to learn what is factor and what is multiple. Like in factor we have a number that divides evenly into another number. What is the meaning? Like अगर हमारे पास कोई नंबर है और हम उसको इवनली टू अदर पार्ट्स में, 3 डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में, अनदर नंबर्स में हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, वी कैन डिवाइड्स, देन दिस इज़ द फैक्टर ऑफ दैट नंबर. ठीक है. एंड इन आई एक्सप्लेन थ्रोली अगेन. Like if we have a number and we can divides evenly into another number, these numbers are the factors of that number. In second we have multiple, the product of the number, like we have 72 is multiple of number 8. So how can we explain? We can explain the product of that number 8 and any other number is the multiple. Like हमारे पास we have 72 and the factors of 72 is 8 into 9. Like if we have 8 into 9, we can write 8 into 9 is equals to what? 72. We can also write 72 divided by 9 is equals to 8. Or we can write also 72 divided by 8 is equals to 9. So here we have, like if we multiply 8 into 9 and when we will get 72, that means 8 and 9s are the factor of 72. Why? Because 72 a numbers that divides evenly into another numbers. So 72 we can divide like 8 into 9. Therefore 8 into 9, 8 and 9s are the factors of 72. Next we have like multiples. Similarly we can say like 72 is the multiple of 8 and 9. Why? Because when we multiply something in 8 we will get 72, as we will multiply 9. So 9 is also a factor of 72 and 72 is a multiple of 9 also. Okay, we can learn with another example also. Like here we have 5 into 4 is equals to 20. 5 4s are 20, as you know. Okay, so here in the table of 5 we will get 20. In the table of 4 we will get 20. That means 20 is a multiple of 5 and 4. आप लोगों को क्या समझ आ रहा है कि जिस भी टेबल में, किसी के टेबल में अगर कोई नंबर आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स वो नंबर उसका मल्टीपल होगा. लाइक इन 4 टेबल वी हैव 20. 4 5s are 20. और वी कैन से 5 4s are 20. सेम प्रोसेस लाइक कि 5 के टेबल में भी क्या आ रहा है, 20 आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स 20 इज़ ऑल्सो ए फैक्टर ऑफ 5. इन सेकेंड केस वी कैन ऑल्सो लर्न लाइक 20 को वी कैन राइट 5 into 4. When we write 5 into 4, that means these are the factor of 20 as well. So here we also learn a thing, or we can see a thing, like factor is always is smaller than that number, or we can say equal to that number, but multiple is always greater than or equals to that number. Why? Like take an example for that. Here first let's take the example of factors. Like first we have the number 6 and we have to tell the factor of 6. So here first we have to see in which table 6 is come. Like in 2 table we have 6, 2 3s are 6. In the table of 3 also we get 6, like when 3 2s are 6. So 2 and 3 is the factor of 6. Now the main thing what you have to learn, like we have 2 and 3 is the factor of 6, but as when we see 1, in one table we also have 6, So 1 is also a factor of 6, and also 1 is factor of each and every number. Like either it is odd or even, 1 is always a factor of any number. Like you can see, if we have 97, we can write like 1 into 97. So 1 is a factor of every number. This thing you must be writing in your copy also as a note, that 1 is always a factor of every number. Next important thing we also have, the number itself is also a factor of itself. Like we have 6 here. So when 6 ones are 6, that means in 6 table also we have 6. That means 6 is also a factor of 6 as well. So we can say this thing, that 1 is always a factor of every number, and the number itself is also a factor of itself. Because like we have 97 or 93, so 93 ones are 93. So always the number itself is also a factor of that number. So these 2 points you should be writing in your copy as a note, and this is very important, and I hope this you will get very well. Now now we will see the case of multiple here. So here we have the multiples. Like when we write the multiple of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, and so on. We count as infinity. So we can also see here, like the multiples is always infinity. We have lot of multiples, we have no counting of multiples. So what we learn here, and like we have 3 1 3, 3 2 6, then 9, then 12. तो मल्टीपल्स क्या होते हैं, जो किसी के भी टेबल में आते जाते हैं, वो नंबर्स क्या होते हैं, उनके मल्टीपल्स होते हैं. And like we read in our factors कि 1 is a factor of every number, and the number itself is also a factor of that. Here we have the multiple. In multiple we have the number itself is also a multiple of that number. So for number itself we have the number itself is also a factor of that number, also the number itself also a multiple of that number. This is the basic things you have to know, that इन फॉर फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स. तो फैक्टर्स क्या होते थे हमारे, कि फैक्टर्स वो जो उसके हम किसी नंबर को किसी 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दें, 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दें. और मल्टीपल्स क्या है, जो किसी के टेबल में आते हैं 2 4 6, वो उसके बाद वो उसके क्या होता है, मल्टीपल्स. वन थिंग विच इज़ लेफ्ट टू टेल here, I will tell you with the example. Like we have a number 5. Here we have multiple of 5, and then we have factor of 5. I will tell you with the help of an example. Right, when we have to write the multiple of 5, we will read the table of 5 and we can write the multiple of 5. 5 ones are 1, 5 twos are 10, and so on. But as you can see, there is no end. Like we will read 5 6 are 30, तो उसके बाद भी हम इसको कितना भी पढ़ सकते हैं. तो there is no end. That means we can say a multiple of any number is infinite. We can't count the multiple of any numbers because this is not countable. But when we talk about the factors, like factor of 5 is 1 and 5, because in 5 is a odd number. 5 और किसी के टेबल में नहीं आता है, तो 5 खुद के टेबल में आएगा और 1. ठीक है. तो लाइक फैक्टर्स वी हैव काउंटेबल फैक्टर्स. और भी हमारे पास कोई भी नंबर होगा तो हमारे जो फैक्टर्स होते हैं वो ऑलवेज़ क्या होते हैं, काउंटेबल होते हैं. और एक चीज़ और you can see, like when we write the factors is always smaller than that number or equals to that number. Like we have 5, 1 is smaller and 5 is equal to 5. Or like we read the example of 6, like the factors of 6 is there 1 2 3 and 6. So also 1 2 and 3 is smaller than 6 and 6 is equal to 6. So always we can say factors is smaller than that number or equals to that number. ठीक है. तो ये हमारे थोड़े कॉन्सेप्ट थे जो कि हमें चैप्टर स्टार्ट होने से पहले पता होने चाहिए थे. That we can say the introduction part also. So this is the process of multiplication and multiples and factor. Hope you will get well.